Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we're gonna connect our Flutter project to Firebase console. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Android Studio and this is my physical device that is connected through USB. Okay, and this is the project I have created in Android Studio, and this is the main page of Flutter, main.dart. This is the default code given by Flutter team while creating new Flutter project. There is no need to change anything over here, as we gonna just connect our project to Firebase console in this video tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, go to a browser and open Firebase console. Okay, so now we are in Firebase console, and here there are options to create new Flutter projects or Android project or iOS projects. Just click on Add button, Add project, and give a name to your project here. Okay, just hit the Continue button and accept all the terms and conditions. Choose an account. Okay, it is creating a project for you now. Okay, so now the project has been created and is ready to use. Just hit the continue button. Okay, so now we are in our project. Here there are various options to connect your projects. There is iOS, Android, and web, and even Unity. So in this video tutorial, we're gonna just connect our Android project. Okay, so here it is asking for a package name. Just go into your project under Android app sources main. Here there is a manifest file. From here you can see there is a package name. Just copy it and paste it over here and register your app. Okay, so registration is done. So Firebase will give you a google.json file. Just download it. Okay, so just copy this. Okay, and come to your Android Studio, and inside this app folder, see this and Android app, just paste it over here in this folder. Paste, and remember that there should not be any changes in name. It should be just google services.json. Okay, we are done with this. So next is it is saying to you to add some SDKs. So just copy this class path. Okay, and it should be copied and pasted in project level gradle file. For that, go to this is project, and here gradle, and over here under dependency just paste it. Okay, then there is a app level gradle to be added. This is already been added, and this need to be added. Just copy it, and under project app gradle, and over here paste it after this. Okay, and then it is telling you to add some dependencies. Copy this and same file over here paste it. Okay, after that one more flutter dependency we need to add. For that, go to pub.specification file over here, and under dependency, just down of this Capitano icons, just add Firebase core. Okay, and then hit this pub get. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the success, the code is 0. That means dependency has been added successfully. Okay, so now uh, just hit this next. It is saying you are all set. The following. Okay, as soon as you do this, your app will get connected to Firebase console. And one more thing, for Flutter user, we need to add initialization under your main.dart file. Just at the main tag here, make is asynchronization, and you need to import Firebase core. Okay, and then Flutter binding dot ensure initialization, and one more thing, we need to call a function that is Firebase dot initialize app. Okay, after doing this, your Firebase will get connected to your Firebase console project. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point.